All eyes are set on the polls for tonight election results, and Links 007 TV gonna keep a track of this plus more to come on the program. So we have some highlights of the election day proceedings to bring to you right now. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Party supporters are now casting their votes for the People's National Party and the Jamaica Labour Party right across the island of Jamaica as election day activities heightens.
Well, the local government election, because I'm the head of the Nyan Kepong Maroon government, so I have to watch over both PNP and Labour right now, because both PNP and Labour right now is my people, you understand? Because the end of the day is one Maroon people. But from 1961, them start to do voting, you understand? And now the Maroon thing, so we'll go back to the Maroon government now, so I will be responsible both for PNP and Labour right. So I'm not fighting against PNP, I'm not fighting against Labour right. I'm here now to take back the crown from King Charles, so PNP and Labour right will have to look up to the Emperor, right? I'm right. Because I'm the man for the people, and that's why I say me take care of both sides, right? I'm right, boss? Yeah. Over the years. So big up the two sides we run. May the best man win today. You understand? I'm backing the people. You understand? But I'm supporting anybody who wins. You understand? But may the best side win today.
When our news team checked a number of locations, it was evidently clear that situation seemed calm and it was smooth sailing. Party supporters could be seen in various parishes casting their ballots as they wait for tonight's results. We caught up with both political leaders from the hierarchy of the Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party, Mark Golden and Anjahonis, respectively.
Thank you. Finger, boss. This is Alright. Thank you, sir.
I need to get my picture.
The longitudinal voter act. So, based on that, if the worst outcomes for the Jamaica Labour Party would be that we retain all the parish councils we collect. Yes, there are sentiment shifts, and you would see that polling that was done maybe 2 weeks before the announcement or so would have picked up the sentiment shift. But when you get into a campaign where voters have to look at sentiment and look at everything that the government is doing and come to a rational decision, you would notice that the polling has changed. That the polling that has been done recently is now showing that the Jamaica Labour Party is ahead. And that is the calculus of why I believe that the outcome is either the Jamaica Labour Party retains all it has or increases.
Thank you, Prime Minister. Thank you, everyone. Just to be clear, Prime Minister, you changed your shirt not because you were asked, but also for the abundance of caution, sir. I see where. Yeah. So just to address the matter officially.
No, I, you know what? Life is so funny. We expected that would be the headline. But this is what we said. Can you imagine? We know that would be the mischief. No one asked me to change my shirt. No one. I decided to change my shirt so that there would not be any criticism that I went into a polling station with my political shirt. But what it really says is that I travel prepared. I am prepared. Well, look, we expected it from where it came.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
next councillor of Wonderstand Division, a son of the soil, Comrade David Knight. Welcome him in his...
The Prime Minister has been going around calling me all kind of names. Now, the people of Jamaica expect more intelligent discourse from their leaders than that. I know you're under the pressure, Andrew. I know the pressure reach and pressure bust pipe. But come man, elevate yourself man, and try your best and stop the name calling. God bless you all, comrades. One love.